Happy Wednesday, boys and girls. I just want to start by quickly going over our R blends, and then we'll get right into it, okay? All right. Burr, cur, dr, fur, gur, fur, and tur. Excellent. All right, we're going to do my favorite. Nonsense words. I need you to come up with the real word that rhymes with my nonsense word. So this time, it's going to be things in our classroom. But we're not in our classroom. So just imagine that you are. Okay? All right. You don't sit at fresks. You sit at desks. Great. Miss Thackeray doesn't sit at a Brable. She sits at a table. Yes. We don't tell time on a grok. We tell time using a clock. Yes. You don't write with a pencil, but do you write with a pencil? Good. I don't call you my drudents. You are my students. You don't do I ready on a drumputer. You do it on a computer. You don't read Brooks in the library, but you do read books. Excellent. You don't write on Braper, but you write on paper. Yes. We don't say I pledge allegiance to the grag. We pledge allegiance to the flag. And I am not a creature, but I am your teacher. Actually, I kind of like those. All right, I'm going to say the word. I want you to repeat after me, and then you're going to tell me what blend do you hear at the beginning. I'm going to leave these R blends up here just in case you need a little hint, okay? All right, my word is grass. Beginning blend, grr. Excellent. Free. Beginning blend, fur. Drapes. Beginning blend, dur. Yes. Crab. Beginning blend, cur. Excellent. Braid. Beginning blend, burr. Prize. Beginning blend, purr. Nicely done. Brave. Beginning blend, burr. Yes. Trade. Beginning blend, tur. Yes. Gravy. Beginning blend, grr. Excellent job. All right, now we're going to say it fast. We are going to blend sounds together to make a word. Okay? All right, here we go. T, p, trap. B, d, brad. K, k, crack. D, o, drill. End, friend. Yes, that was a long one. Eyes, prize. Ache, break. Ash, crash. You guys are getting so good at these. Okay, final sounds in a word. I'm going to say 3 words. I want you to tell me what they all have for that final sound, that sound you say when you touch your toes. Okay? Enough, leaf, life. Final sound. Excellent. Excuse me. Wig, flag, chug. Final sound. G. And remember, boys and girls, you should be watching my lips because it's like cheating. It'll give you the answer. Book, chalk, clock. Final sound. K. Ball, doll, girl. Final sound. L. Yes. Room, stem, team. Final sound. Balloon, barn, brown. Final sound. Shrimp, ship, map. Final sound. Nicely done. All right, now we're gonna break it down word. I'm gonna hold up my fingers to give you guys a clue as to how many sounds are in these words. And here we go. All right, first word has 3 sounds. My word is pray. Per, a. Break apart that per, p, a. Nicely done. Okay, the next word, truck. Truck. I'm going to put my 2 fingers together here for that tur, k. Break apart that tur, t, k. Truck. Nicely done, boys and girls. My word is brave. 4 sounds in my word. First 2 are a blend. Bur, a, v. Break apart that bur, b, a, v. Brave. Good. My word is cream. Cur, e, m. Break apart that cur, k, e, m. Cream. Nice. My word is grump. Oh my goodness. 5 sounds. 5 sounds. All right, so I'm going to put my 2 fingers together for that beginning blend. Gur. And then I've got a final blend. So gur, mp. G, m, p. Grump. Wow, that was a tough one. And the last one, tribe. Tribe. Tur, I, b. Tur, break it apart. T, I, b. Tribe. Nicely done. All right, we're going to be word magicians, and we're going to change out that beginning blend to something else. So my word is grade. Ready? Gur, aid. Change that gur to a burr. Braid. Nice. My word is bride. Burr, eyed. Change that burr to a dur. Dried. Excellent. My word is fry. Fur, eye. Change that fur to a tur. Try. Good. My word is praise. Per, aze. Change that per to a gur. Graze. Yes. My word is dream. Dur, eam. Change that dur to a cur. Cream. Excellent. All right. Now we're going to take that first part of the word and we're going to throw it out the window, throw it out the window, or the door. All right, here we go. My word is bridge, okay? Bridge. Take away that b, what's left? Ridge. Excellent. My word is freeze. Take away that f, what's left? Reeze. My word is friend. Friend. Take away that f, what's left? Rend. Totally nonsense word, by the way. My word is prize. Prize. Take away that p, what's left? Rise. Excellent. My word is trade. Trade. Take away that t, what's left? Raid. Good job. All right. Now, what we are going to do is, let's do a little stretch and spell, okay? So get out your whiteboards, get out a marker if you have it, or you can even do it on a piece of paper. That's totally fine. And we'll do some words up here. I'm going to go back to that first page and do some of those words. All right. The word I would like us to stretch and spell is the word trap. Trap. Okay? So let's break it down. Trap. So we've got that that R blend, right? Good. So that break it apart into those 2 sounds, right? Trap. Excellent. I feel like we might have done that yesterday. Sorry if we did. All right. My word is Let's do crash. We might have done that one too, but I do like that word, okay? So, sh. Notice I'm only holding up one finger because that sh is only one sound, right? So, I'm going to put 2 lines because that's a blend, so it's going to have 2 consonants. And then we're going to end with that sh, right? So, break it apart into k, and then sh. Crash. Nicely done. All right, let's go ahead and stretch and spell the word drop. Drop. When we say it, though, we say it quickly, and it sounds like we're saying drop with a j sound in the beginning, but it's actually drop. Drop. Okay? So what's that blend you hear in the beginning of drop? Good. The dr, right? D, p. So that dr is D, right? R, ah. What letter says ah? O. And then that final sound, p, with a P. Slide your fingers underneath. Drop. Excellent. So, I want you to drop everything you're doing, and I want you to take your fingers and give your brain a kiss. Because you guys have been working so hard, and I'm so proud. Super duper impressed with all your hard work. So, I will talk to you again soon. See you tomorrow, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day.